How to remove linked apps with Facebook. In this video, I'm going to guide you the easiest trick to remove all your linked app with Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Facebook app on your device and then make sure to log in on your Facebook account. Once you get logged in, you need to tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll towards the bottom and select Settings and Privacy and choose Settings option. On this page, select See More in Account Center and then you have to select Personal Details. Then choose Account Ownership and Control and then you will get access to this page where you have to select Deactivation or Deletion and now select your Facebook account. So here you need to simply select the option of delete account, but we will not delete our account. Instead, this is the step in order to remove linked app with Facebook. So you don't need to worry about deletion of your account. So let's tap on delete account and tap on continue. Here you need to select continue button again and select the region where you want to delete, or you can do anything and select continue button. Once done, select continue again and here are different kinds of option before permanently deletion of your account, that is to keep messenger deactivate instead say post in your archive, and when you go towards the button you will see review apps that you have logged into. So this is what we actually needed on this step. So now select view linked apps button. You have to wait for a few seconds and you can see the active apps or the linked apps with Facebook. You can also search the expired apps and now you need to select the particular app which you want to remove. Now select remove button at the bottom right corner of remove app. Once you have done that, you need to select remove button again. And once you have done that, select the removed option at the top right corner. And here we can see that we have successfully removed this linked app with Facebook. In this way, you can easily remove linked app with Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates.